Giraffe and AppStation follow almost the same idea on the surface, but small differences in game selection, reward availability, and user experience can make one a better fit depending on how you earn. By the end of this video, you'll know where these two apps are similar, where they differ, and which one is the better choice for your style of gameplay. Here's the quick answer. If you're deciding between them, don't expect completely different experiences. Both apps focus on rewarding users for discovering and playing eligible mobile games. The better option is usually the one offering more compatible games and active rewards for your device and location. Let's start with what they have in common. Both apps ask you to install recommended games through their own tracking links. That installation step matters because it allows your gameplay to be tracked for rewards. After installing correctly, you earn by meeting eligible gameplay milestones or continuing to play according to each game's reward conditions. Skipping the tracked installation or installing directly from an app store can prevent progress from being recorded. Now let's look at where they differ. The first difference is the game catalog. The available games aren't always identical. One app may feature titles that don't appear on the other, and reward availability can change over time. That means your experience depends partly on which games are currently offered for your device. The second difference is the user interface. While both apps organize games, rewards, and account information in similar ways, the layouts and navigation are not exactly the same. Some users may simply find one interface easier to browse than the other. Another factor is offer availability. Even if both apps reward gameplay, the games presented to you can vary based on your region, device compatibility, and account history. Two people using different phones may not see the same opportunities inside either app. So which one should you choose? If one app already offers several games you're interested in, start there instead of switching immediately. If you've completed most available offers on one platform, checking the other app may expose you to a different selection of eligible games. Comparing the available offers before investing your time is usually the smartest approach. The biggest takeaway is simple. Giraffe and AppStation are built around the same earning model, but your actual experience depends on the games available to you. Proper installation through tracked links and ongoing reward opportunities. Try the app with the better game selection for your account, and you'll usually get the better overall experience. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe for more app comparisons, and check out the next guide.